The world is incredibly big, yet it can seem so amazingly small. Facing the unknown, taking steps forward, we keep exploring and move close to our dreams. From the day you take your first steps, people will tell you follow your dreams, chase your passions, do what you love. But no one tells you that dreams means facing nightmares along the way, sleepless nights and uncertainty. No one tells you that you will worry. But the world is filled with limitless potential. There are so many dreams left for us to explore. Dreams inspire us and present the courage to continue against all challenges. That is the year of 2004, the first SSD born in China, named OSCOO. From these moments, the story lasting for 19 years begins from China. It is spreads to 8 countries and regions in Southeast Asia, Europe, and America.
Halo Indonesia, kami dari OSCOO Indonesia.
Pilih SSD, pilih OSCOO.
OSCO products, best quality, best support, best speed, with special prices, special guarantees. Do not hesitate to get in touch. We are at your disposal.
Sir, OSCOO is a great brand, and I will recommend it to more people.
Today I will show you one of the best SSD available today. If you are looking for a way to speed up your computer without having to upgrade your boot system, MemoryGods SSD today. Choose MemoryGods, choose us.
I represent OSCOO company in Iran as the selling agent of OSCOO company. We offer a variety of high-quality products with competitive prices from SSD drives to flash drives.
Hi, this is an excellent product, MemoryGods. I have sold for several months and have got so many good feedback from the market. We love it. We are from Sri Lanka.
Our distributor OSCOO is Turkmenistan. The quality is very good. I love you, OSCOO. Thank you.
Acá desde Chile recomendamos productos OSCOO. Excelente precio y excelente calidad. OSCOO.
At the most affordable prices, delivering superior quality of products and services.
I'm from Nepal. I love OSCOO SSD very much. Thank you.
We are the sole agent of OSCOO brand in Sri Lanka.
I'm from Timor-Leste. I love OSCOO products. Happy New Year.
I'm from Lebanon. Thank you very much OSCOO. Product very good SSDs.
إذا كنت تبحث عن علامة تجارية موثوقة ال SSD فنحن نوصي باستخدام OSCOO.
Hello guys, I'm from Bangladesh. This is OSCOO SSD. Happy New Year.
My company name is Sole Trading Company Private Limited. I am direct import MemoryGods products. I have SSD, NVMe, M.2, DDR and flash driver also. I have good price for you.
لما تشوف شعار أوسكو الأزرق اعرف أنك بتشير إلى شيء واحد قبل كل شيء وهي الجودة.
Hi, I'm from BMW. I love OSCOO products. Wish you a happy New Year.
We are very happy with the quality of the OSCOO. OSCOO has a very competitive prices, timely delivery and very good quality. I can assure if you introduce OSCOO in your market, you will save time, you will get a good quality and competitive price, and this will help you to build your market.
If you are looking for a reliable SSD brand, we recommend you OSCOO. They offer high quality products that are designed to last.
저는 한국에서 왔습니다.
私は日本から来ます.
Kami dari Indonesia.
Ako ay mula sa Pilipinas.
안녕하세요. 저는 한국에서 왔어요.
Mama Sri Lankaven.
Napenda OSCOO. OSCOO ndiyo mambo yote.
A place, a person, a memory, and a story.
今天不是昨天的重复，我们想留住你想留住的美好回忆，储存你想看见的过去。
Your dream is our dream. Your success is our success.